Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to worn-out blades. Over time, the blades can become dull or damaged, leading to this unsettling sound during operation. If left unaddressed, this issue could worsen, causing further damage to your device and potentially affecting its performance. To tackle this problem, you'll need a set of tools including a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, and a pair of pliers. Begin by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged for safety. Carefully flip the device upside down and use your screwdriver to remove the screws securing the base. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Once the base is off, locate the blade assembly. It should be visible at the bottom of the mixing bowl. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To extract the blade assembly, gently pull it upwards while ensuring no wires or components get caught. You may need to use the pliers for a better grip. Be cautious not to apply too much force as this can damage nearby components. Once removed, take your replacement blade assembly and position it carefully into the mixing bowl. Make sure it sits snugly into place. Now, reattach any wires you may have disconnected during the process, ensuring they are secure and not pinched. After this, it's time to replace the base. Align it properly and screw it back in place, taking care not to over-tighten the screws, which could lead to damage. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test it out. If the grinding noise has disappeared and everything runs smoothly, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check the blade condition and ensure you're using the device as intended. Clean the blades after each use to maintain their sharpness, and store your Thermomix in a safe place away from potential damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.